Hello my friends, hello designers, hello printer support technicals. This video is for you. If you have a printer from Roland Versacam 540, this video can help you fix some problems if you have it. And I want to inform all watchers, if you don't have a Roland printer, don't watch this video. It's not for you. It's only technical information for printer supporters, and if you have some problems with your printer, maybe this video help to solve it, and you can I think maybe do some things yourself without technical or service centers. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Bye.